Hello everyone. This is another week of the major literary works in English literature, and today I have chosen the poem The Traveller, written by Oliver Goldsmith. The Traveller, a poem by Oliver Goldsmith, was published in 1764. It is dedicated and addressed to his brother, a country clergyman. The author, in the character of a traveller, places himself on the summit of the Alps and compares social and political conditions in the countries that he sees, noting the inconveniences of each and endeavoring to show that there may be equal happiness in other states through differently governed from England. Happiness, he realizes, may be found in any place, as well as discontent. The poem is written in fluent rhyming couplets which encompass description and philosophy with apparent ease. The Traveller is a didactic poem. It aims at teaching some philosophic truths. It is in fact a versified pamphlet on the physical, social, and political conditions of various European nations. Its clear purpose is to establish the proposition that though perfect happiness and felicity are nowhere to be found, one country offers to a wise man as good a chance of happiness as another. This is the didactic purpose of the poem. It is also a prospect poem in the same that it is a series of verse characters by means of which the different national cultures of the West are compared. In this poem, Goldsmith's originality as a poet lies in his having the old and the new in such just proportion that there is no conflict. He is Augustan and also sentimental and rural without discordance. The didactic tone, the abstract and conventional poetic diction, and the tendency to epigram emphasize the poem's Augustan affiliations. What is new is the introduction at the beginning and end of the poem of the poet's own predicament and sensibility as matters of interest and importance in such a poem. The traditional objective concerns of the poem are presented within a highly subjective framework. I hope this podcast helps you in understanding more about this interesting poem. Please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And next week, once again, I'll be present with another podcast on one of the major literary works in English literature. Thank you for your valuable time. Here's wishing you a great day ahead.